What's the meaning of back-to-back? Back-to-back. Back-to-back.
Back-to-back. Back-to-back. The term back-to-back can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally speaking, it refers to two or more things that are arranged closely and directly next to each other, without any space in between them. This can refer to physical objects, such as chairs or bookcases, or to abstract concepts, such as events or tasks. In sports, back-to-back victories refer to consecutive wins, while in music, back-to-back songs or albums may be played one after the other without interruption. In business, back-to-back contracts may refer to agreements with consecutive start and end dates. Overall, the term back-to-back suggests a continuous or uninterrupted sequence of events or objects.